drawers actually had a lip all the way around, but you can see that I am putting the transfer or the florals right over that lip. I'm also putting them over the crevices, the drawer where the drawer will open and close, and I'll share how easy that is to do. So for this floral at the bottom of the dresser, I placed it where I wanted it, and then the largest flat part, I started rubbing, and then I started going on to the smaller detailed areas. So you use the corner of your stick to get into any crevices. And here you can see I'm kind of wrapping it around that lip and using the corner of the stick to get right in there so it wraps right around. And then I use the end of the stick to do the flat portion. And again, where the drawer will be opening on the bottom, you'll see that I use the corner of the stick. So I'm burnishing it onto the lip, and then I use the corner of the stick to get right in there. So it ends up that once you kind of work your way around and down around all these little crevices, you end up with a perfectly seamless design once you pull it up. To cut the seam where the drawer opens and closes, so the design, the floral looks flawless, I use a craft knife and just cut it, and then use my finger just to smooth everything down. Again, I'm doing the exact same technique with this floral that's wrapping around the corner of the dresser, on the top of the dresser. So I start by applying the large flat part, and then I work my way around the lip of this dresser drawer using the corners of the applicator tool. And then again, I will work the flat part to make sure that it's all adhering and just kind of wrap it around the corners. I'm not too worried if the design actually cracks or splits in a few places, but that's just me. I am not a perfectionist. I don't think that it needs to be totally perfect, and it doesn't faze me too much because I know that if anything looks kind of awry after I'm finished, I can certainly go in with an artist brush and just kind of brush in those cracks, and or use a portion of the transfer just to fill that in. So it's very easily fixable and usually not noticeable to the eye once the whole design is all but laid out and applied to your furniture.